Okay, so now what we want to do is create a remote repository here, and then we'll put it into our local repository so that we're able to commit our project online here. So you open, I think once you open, you'll be visited with this and not where I was. So you click here, add new, the name of your repo. I've been consistent with this, Annie, because I love my daughter so much. Then the description, you can put up a description that makes sense. So as we are building a laundry management system, laundry management system, I think my management is not good. Okay, there, laundry management system. And then when I come here, I'll leave it public so that it's visible to everyone, especially if you want to showcase a project to the GitHub community or to a potential employer. You want to leave it like that. Otherwise you can set it private. Otherwise private, it's only the people you choose to see, so it's up to you. Then I'll also do a readme. A readme is part of your documentation. Otherwise you can come to the readme and quite work on it so that it makes sense. And I always choose this one, the general public license. And why this is because everyone can get to use our code. If you want it to be reserved, there can be no license, or you can choose some other licensing what that you may need. So I'll choose that one, then I'll create. So once this is done, meaning our remote repository is created, there we go. And then by default, the online Git repository will always be set to main, but our local one is set to master. And we have one branch here. So think of Git as in a collaborating tool, or let me put it very plain. Git is like a tree with different branches. So for example, here we have main, and once we push, we'll also have master. We'll have two branches, but then we can ignore those. We can actually, let's say you're working on the dashboard, I'm working on the login. So if we want, we can actually set a branch named dashboard and another branch named login. And once we've worked on those and the code is running fine, we can merge those branches. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so if you want, you can say create new branch, but for now we don't want that. So we come back here because we want to make sure that our folder, remember the folder or directory that we've been creating, is able to commit or to push its source code to this remote repository. And there are several ways to do that. To make this easy, we're going to use the HTTP. So you click on the URL. Once that is clicked, then you come to the terminal, and from there